Hamilton's Fringe Festival is back. Carly Anna Billings, the director of Visiting My Mother and Other Repetition Compulsions, which is making it its world premiere at the festival, joins us with more. It is such a pleasure to meet you. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. It's such a treat.
Okay, tell us a little bit about the show.
Totally. So this show is a very exciting show. It was just written this year, brand new. Idea that our company, Afterlife Theater, has been mulling around for a few years. But my co-founder and very best friend Patrick Teed wrote it, and it's brilliant. It's a 60-minute show, and we couldn't be more excited to be presenting it at the festival as the alert company in resonance with HFTCO. So
okay, tell me, I want to know a little bit about the plot.
Yeah, okay, of course. So it's broken down essentially into 3 parts, 3 acts, 3 scenes, whatever you want to call it.
Okay.
The first is a therapy session. The second is a family dinner that goes awry, maybe. And then the third is, well, it takes place in kind of split screen, and it's a bit of a secret.
Okay, yeah. I will allow you that. Okay, I will allow you the secret because like it sounds so compelling and it sounds very real.
Oh, totally. It's like a really fictionalized, heightened version. It has really heightened, exciting language that's really verbose and clever and smart and funny, surprisingly, in such a dramatic piece that deals with family and grief and like cycles and repetition. It's in the title. It's a really, really wonderful, heart-wrenching. It's been described as like bitterly funny by our early audiences.
Yeah, that's what when the next question was going to be.
Totally.
What are you hoping that audiences kind of take away from this and get out of this?
Yeah, I'm hoping that they feel seen, that they know that their like family weirdness is everywhere. Normal, totally. Yeah, like who doesn't have a weird family? Sorry.
Like I feel like I need to come to every show.
It's like in a weird way, working on this show has been quite a bit therapeutic.
I bet.
Thinking, oh, this show that's totally fictional and like inspired by real life in some ways, but like not about my family at all. I go, oh
like
no,
your parents are standing right there.
They're delightful.
I mean, it's not about us at all.
It's not about us. This play's not about us. To be clear, it's not about us. It's not about anyone, but it's also about everyone.
Yeah, of course.
And that's the exciting part of it. Yeah, just for people to feel not alone and have a bit of a laugh and. Yeah. Now,
this isn't your first time participating in Hamilton Fringe.
No.
What makes it so special to you?
It's the community aspect. There's no, like, it is the biggest festival in our area of theater at any time of the year. And of course it's so exciting. It's in summer. We can be outside, we can be running around the city, seeing awesome venues, seeing awesome shows, locally and not so locally sourced shows. And it's exciting. It's electric. It is not like nothing else. It's the amount of talent in this city is astounding. And it's also a festival that has different arts in it. There's a tiny film festival. There's like a visual arts component. It's the most exciting thing.
Well, what else? I know there's something special that you're looking forward to at the festival too.
Oh, I am looking forward to Fringe Boulevard this year.
Okay.
It is going bigger than ever before. It is all along King William Street, starting kind of at James North, and it's going to be a hub for all of the free programming and some of the programming I just mentioned as well. And it'll be lined with like posters of all the shows you can see and like lots of laughs, like a beer garden, all kinds of fun.
This is where people like need to start the journey.
Totally the hub. Yeah. So if you don't know where to go, like what shows to see, that's a perfect pinpointing spot to start, I would say. Yeah. I mean, I also have a few show recommendations besides our show, which is at the Theater Aquarius Studio. 500 Doubloons from our friends at Friendly Bear Theater is at the Westdale. It's really funny. It's completely different from our show. So if you come to our show and you're like, oh, that was funny and also very upsetting.
That was a lot.
Yeah, you can go to their pirate romp and have a good laugh.
Pirate romp?
Yeah.
Nothing like a good pirate romp every once in a while.
I know.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, well, where can we get more information about your show and all of the shows?
Totally. You can go to hftco.ca. You can follow everybody on Instagram, our Instagram, Afterlife Theater. All the information is there on their websites, and the tickets are available now for all shows and everything in between.
Well, thank you so much. It has been an absolute pleasure having you here with us today. Your personality is incredible, and I think everyone should go and see the show.